Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a cabin air filter. First, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. Open it and remove everything inside. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This action will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further and reveal the filter housing behind it. It's a straightforward first step. Now that the glove box is out of the way, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. It's usually a rectangular plastic cover. There are typically two small retaining tabs on either side. Unclip these to release the cover. Once the cover is off, you can carefully slide out the old, dirty cabin air filter. Take note of its orientation for the new one. Before inserting your new cabin air filter, check the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This arrow must point in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Slide the new filter into the housing. Then, replace the filter housing cover, making sure the two retaining tabs click securely back into place. This ensures a proper seal. Finally, it's time to reassemble the glove box. Gently push the sides inward again and guide it back into its original position until it clicks securely into place. Test it to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. Also, life's too short for cheap socks. For durable, comfortable options, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.